Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a tutorial. Sorry, I didn't realize I wasn't recording when I did the first pass through, so now I'm going in and doing a little bit more of a refined removal. So I am removing the black polish. These are the tortoise nails. I can actually post a link to that in the cards if you guys want to see that one, but I'm doing my non-dominant hand here, and I do like to show sometimes tutorials on my non-dominant hand because I think it also helps you guys to know that we are not perfect. It is hard to do your non-dominant hand, but I'm not gonna lie, the tutorials I show my non-dominant hand are a little bit easier than if I were to do like some super complicated design. Although if I am, I'm doing it on both nails, so I don't know, sometimes we all struggle with our non-dominant hand. So I wanted to keep the removal process and prep all in real time for you. I'm only doing a partial prep on this one because I am not adding more gel. These are only about a week old, and I wanted to record another tutorial for you guys because, again, I'm trying to stock some tutorials because I'm about to go back to work in about 3 weeks, so I'm trying to get at least a month ahead doing a video or two a week. So loving this, totally here for this tutorial. So yeah, that's why I'm only doing a removal of the gel color, and then let's get into the prep. Buffing the nails so we're creating a smoother surface for us to start our design. We are taking black tie, and I love this buttercream. Everyone knows, as you can see, it's almost empty. Taking my dotting tool, I use both sides. I only show one, but I do end up using both sides. So I am just dipping it into that buttercream and then doing a random dots. Again, this is like a cow design, so you don't want to overly think about this. You see an open spot, put some black there. You see another spot, put some black there. That's literally all I'm doing. And I'm going to keep this in real time because, again, we're doing this with our non-dominant hand. And if you notice in the removal, I was moving my right hand, where this guy, I am actually using my left hand to do the design. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will catch you back once we move on to the next step. All right, now we're gonna give these guys a full cure, and we're going to take Stick It. This stuff is amazing. And then the swirly brush, and we are going to do some random outlines. Do you see my mistake yet? I'll give you a second. Do you see it? No, it's okay. We'll figure it out in the next step because I actually figured it out, surprisingly. So we are taking Stick It down the side, so we are kind of framing the cow design. I didn't put white underneath because I didn't want it to be super harsh. I kind of wanted this to be like a blended or secret kind of cow design. There we go. I didn't take the tacky layer off the black. So had I went ahead and put the foil down, it would have been all over that black gel polish. Yeah, that's not gonna do me very good now, is it? I think I touch a little bit of the Stick It, but it's okay. So now we're gonna come in and do the Stick It and place the foil. Place the foil on the Stick It. There we go. And it just looks so good. So yeah, now I'm going to take off that sticky layer and then apply more of the Stick It across. And I do kind of change it up because you can see the direction of the dots are changing, and I add just different kind of paths to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch that.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh. they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
You could do these matte or shiny. I chose shiny because I just love shiny with that gold foil. So you can do two things here. So you can obviously just apply your top coat, but on the pinky, I'm applying that top coat. But what ends up happening a lot of times with the gel on top, since we are using a buttercream, you can float actually a little bit of the top coat towards the edge to kind of smooth that out. So don't be afraid to smooth it out with some top coat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.